Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable OneDrive and remove it from File Explorer on Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to click on your Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu opens up, go ahead and type in Apps and Features in the search bar. After typing it in, press Enter on your keyboard. This will open up the Apps and Features settings window where you can manage all the applications installed on your Windows computer. Once the Apps and Features window appears on your screen, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see several options listed there, and you want to click on Apps and Features if it's not already selected. This section displays a complete list of all the programs and applications currently installed on your system, which makes it easy to manage, modify, or remove any software you no longer need. Now, from this view, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the installed apps list. Click on that search bar and type in OneDrive. This will filter the list and help you quickly locate the Microsoft OneDrive application without having to scroll through hundreds of other programs. Once you type it in, you should see Microsoft OneDrive appear in the results below. Go ahead and click on Microsoft OneDrive from the list. As soon as you click on it, you'll notice that an uninstall button appears directly beneath the app name. This button is what you'll use to completely remove OneDrive from your system and clear it from File Explorer. Simply click on the uninstall button to proceed with removing Microsoft OneDrive from your computer. After clicking uninstall, you may see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to remove the application. Confirm your choice and Windows will begin the uninstallation process. This will disable OneDrive entirely and remove it from appearing in your File Explorer sidebar, giving you a cleaner and more streamlined navigation experience without the OneDrive integration. And that's it. You've successfully disabled OneDrive and removed it from File Explorer on your Windows 10 computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.